Case number JVB1067, Daniel's case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, it looks like Miss Daniels brought this case before the court. And what's your name, sir?
Michael.
All right. Michael, well, what's your last name? I don't want to call you by your first name.
Clough.
Michael Clough. All right, Mr. Clough. It looks as though you were brought to court.
Unwillingly. if I may
Okay.
add.
To be put on child support, but
Right.
she's not here.
She's never here, Your Honor. She never shows up.
All right, so
Exactly.
tell me what's going on. Well, you know she brought you here for you to pay child support. So
Right.
what's going on with you all's situation?
Before we dive into this unbelievable courtroom moment, pause for 1 second. If you enjoy real court stories that expose raw truth, unexpected twists, and human drama, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit like because it pushes this story to more people who love real justice content. And share this video because cases like this deserve to be seen and talked about. What you're about to watch isn't scripted. It's real life unfolding in a courtroom. One father, 5 kids, one missing mother, and a judge who wasn't expecting any of it. Let's break this case down, piece by piece.
I mean, not too long ago, she dropped the kids off. She was in a strange vehicle saying she was about to come up on some money, and I haven't seen her since, Your Honor.
Okay.
And I'm taking care of these kids. I got to go to work. I can't, you know, they my kids. I had them, I made them, but, I got to go to work.
Okay. How many kids are we talking?
5.
5 kids? She dropped out 5 kids with you?
5 kids, Your Honor. No
And
clothes,
kept going.
no nothing.
Who was
kept
driving
going.
the car? Could you see?
I couldn't see. You know how it is.
No, I
Or
don't.
maybe you don't.
Tell me what you mean.
I mean, these women get with these strange guys, and they give them this false hope, and so she was in some kind of old Cutlass with some 20s on it, and
The case opens with a strange absence. The mother, who filed for child support, doesn't even show up to court. Instead, the judge is left with a confused father who says he was dragged into the system unwillingly. He explains that this isn't the first time she's vanished. The tension builds immediately. Why file a case and disappear? The courtroom energy shifts from routine paperwork to suspicion. The judge starts asking direct questions, and it becomes clear this situation is far from normal. What began as a simple child support hearing is already turning into something much deeper and more concerning.
she rode off in the sunset. Haven't seen her since.
And all 5 of the kids were in that car?
All 5 of them sitting on each other's laps.
Wow.
Yeah, it was bad.
Oh my gosh. Are any of the kids in car seats or should be in car seats?
No car seats. My youngest kid didn't even have any diapers, Your Honor. I called my mom and asked her. She said no, so I had to do what I had to do.
Okay.
Yeah,
So how long ago did that happen?
like 2 months ago.
2 months.
2 months ago.
Have you heard from her at all?
Haven't heard from her at all. I sent her some texts when I got the letter about coming to court, but
Right.
I haven't heard anything since.
Okay.
Then comes the moment that changes everything. The father reveals that the mother dropped off all 5 children and drove away in a strange car, claiming she was about to come into money. She never returned. 5 kids abandoned in one move. No follow-up, no contact. The judge presses for details and the story gets darker. The children weren't even safely seated. No car seats. No diapers for the youngest. This wasn't just irresponsible, it was dangerous. The courtroom reacts with shock as the reality sinks in. This isn't about money anymore. It's about abandonment and survival.
Did she tell you she was going to bring you to court for child support?
She did. And then she dropped the kids off, and I haven't seen her since.
Okay. So what was the conflict? Like, what happened for you all to get to the point to where she said, I'm going to file child support on you?
Well, I was working out of town, Your Honor, and I was sending her about $500 a week, but she wasn't satisfied with that. She felt like she should have $2,000 a week, and I just couldn't do it, Your Honor. I couldn't survive off giving her that much money, and I tried to work it out with her, and then I ended up getting a letter in the mail, which I thought was crazy.
Okay. Are the kids on any type of government assistance or anything?
No, ma'am, Your Honor. I pay for everything.
As the timeline unfolds, we learn it's been to full months with no word from the mother. No calls, no texts, nothing. The father has been raising all 5 children alone while still being summoned to court to pay child support. The irony is heavy. He explains he was already sending money regularly, but it was never enough. The demands kept growing beyond what he could survive on. When he couldn't meet them, the court papers arrived. The judge listens closely, now seeing a pattern of pressure, disappearance, and neglect that paints a very different picture than expected.
Okay, you
Yes,
pay for
ma'am.
health insurance and everything like that?
All of it. All of it. And I work at McDonald's, Your Honor. I can't afford that, 5 kids, McDonald's salary. It's hard out here.
Okay,
For
so
a
you're
kid.
in management?
No, I work on the line. I'm a cook.
Oh, okay,
Yes,
got
ma'am.
you.
Best
All right.
cook out here.
I know that's right.
Yeah.
Too bad I don't eat at McDonald's, otherwise I'll put your cooking skills to the test.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but you cook other stuff, right? You can cook outside of
Oh, yeah,
what
I
you
cook
make.
other stuff outside of work.
Okay, all right. You do like private in-home stuff, so like if me and my husband needed a private chef,
no,
you could
you
do
and your
that?
husband don't want the stuff I cook, Your Honor.
What you cook?
I'm not at liberty to discuss that in the courtroom right now.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, got you.
Right.
The financial reality hits hard. This father works as a McDonald's cook. Not management, not corporate on the line. Yet he pays for everything: food, health care, daily needs for 5 children. The judge even lightens the moment with humor, but the struggle is clear. Raising 5 kids on that income is no joke. There's no government assistance, no backup plan, just responsibility. The courtroom shifts from judgment to understanding. This isn't a deadbeat parent avoiding support. This is a parent carrying the full weight while being accused of not doing enough.
Right, okay.
If you know what I mean.
I don't know what you mean, but you know what? I don't even want to know.
Yeah, you probably don't.
Okay, all right. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
I appreciate that.
No
I
problem.
left them in the car, so, I really do got to get back out there.
You left them by themselves?
What a dog watching them.
There's a dog watching the kids in the car.
The dog watching.
Is it like a German Shepherd? I have a German Shepherd.
No, it's a poodle, but he's trained to watch the kids.
So you left the poodle with the kids.
Yeah, the kids. Yeah.
How old is the oldest child?
11.
Well, I guess that's not too bad. How old is the youngest child?
2.
Oh, okay. It's not
Yeah.
too bad, but
Yeah.
let me hurry up and get you out of here so you can go back.
The judge makes a decisive move. The case is dismissed, not postponed, not delayed. Dismissed. The mother can refile in the future. But today, justice sides with reality. As the father prepares to leave, another shocking detail emerges. The kids are waiting in the car with a dog watching them. It sounds absurd, but it reflects urgency, not neglect. He had no choice. The judge urges him to return quickly to his children. This courtroom didn't just witness a legal decision. It witnessed a system briefly bending to common sense.
And get with those kids,
I
okay?
appreciate that, Your
So
Honor.
we're going to dismiss this case. Now, she does have the right, if she wants to refile it in the future.
Right.
That's not saying that she will get what she's looking for, but she does have the right to do that. I just want to make sure that you understand that.
Right. Well, I don't think she'll show up anytime soon. She went to Miami to get a BBL, so.
What's a BBL?
It's where, they take the fat from the stomach and put it in the butt. Yeah.
Oh,
So I
so
don't
like
know.
plastic surgery?
I guess. I mean, I seen a picture. It was 10 or 12 of them in wheelchairs at the airport. So
Okay, well,
I
all
think we're in
right.
the wrong business,
Maybe so. I need to be one of those doctors.
Right.
In the final moments, the mystery deepens. The mother, according to the father, went to Miami for cosmetic surgery, while 5 children stayed behind. The judge reacts with disbelief, and the courtroom closes with an almost surreal calm. This case reminds us that truth doesn't always look neat. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more real courtroom documentaries, make sure you stay subscribed. Thanks for watching till the end. If you're interested in brand sponsorships or collaborations, you can contact me directly at arhabshahid8@gmail.com. Until next time, Stay curious and stay informed.